Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Prem, the Wing Rider. Today we are going to see a video about an action camera. Which action camera I have purchased. So this want to reveal the surprise. So this is the one what I have purchased. Akaso V50X. American brand. So this is the 3-year-old model, but after seeing all the reviews, I felt this is the best camera. So I have taken this and I have made the video in 4K 30 frames per second with electronic image stabilization on. Actually, this action camera, it is not much big performer in the night time, but compared to any other camera, what I felt, made a research on many of the cameras, and in this particular brand, that is the Akaso, this has the best night recording. So let me go ahead and see what are the contents available in this and the features of this camera. So just unscrew this. There's a rubber band mounting. Just take it out, and in fact you can pull it out. You can take this out. You can just pull this out like this. Yeah, that's how the camera comes out. So this is the mounting, and I'll show you the camera. I'll take it out. So I already have the battery inside. So this is the camera, and there's a battery inside already. This particular battery is a 3.7 volt with 1350 milliamps. There's a waterproof case, there's a camera, and we have this mounting and one battery. So let me show you now one by one. And we have the Akaso V50X. You can just scan this and you'll be getting the manual online. So you can just download the manual. This is a quick start guide, but manual is different. So that will be available online when you scan this. And there's a set here which is theta, and we have 4 cable ties, and we have 2 extra double-sided tapes and 1 microfiber cloth inside. We have a remote, and this remote I have already done with the strap. This is a strap like watch. There's a remote control, and you can wear it like a watch, like a wristwatch. You can tie it, and here you get the button which is for the photo and this for the video. So you press the photo and this for the video. So battery 1, there's a battery 2. So there are 2 batteries available. There's a spanner for this. There are 2 helmet mounts, so with the double-sided tape. There's one mount like this here, and there's a bigger one. So there are 3 mounts like this, where this is both the vertical side, and this is one vertical and one is the horizontal. Both the smaller ones, and this one is a bigger one. This bigger one is same as the vertical and horizontal. And this is a bike mount, the bike handlebar mount. You can fix this to the handlebar, and then you can fix like this here and put a screw this one, and you can mount the camera on this. So there is one more clip, and this is for the backpack strap, and there is a mount for the camera here, so you can mount the camera like this. And this is the first time I'm doing it, mounting it like this, and go ahead with put the opposite way and put it to the pocket. You can put the clip to the pocket like this, so that you can keep recording from the, it's a body mounting. And there's a mount like this. You can adjust it, you can rotate it, and make it tightened. You can rotate like this. You want this position, tighten it from the down, so that this stays like this intact. And then with J mount, where you can fix this to the helmet, and you can fix it like this. You can just remove like this, and you can take it out. This is a double-sided tape where you can fix it to the helmet, and this one is the J mount where you can fix the camera here like this. And not exactly like this. You need to take this. You need to take this joint here, and then you can fix this here, so that the camera can be adjusted in variable angle. One more back door will be opening here, so that your voice recordings will be heard easily by the camera. So this door can be changed with the waterproof casing. But after fitting this, don't put it in the water again. It's not a waterproof. These are some straps what they're given where you can strap on. And finally, we have the battery charger, and then a cable, a USB cable, and this is a micro USB. The charging cable where you can use it for charging the batteries. And in this camera, you can directly, while the camera is running, also you can charge the batteries through a charger when the when the camera is recording. And you can put this here, 1 and 2. So charge the battery. Here you get the red light coming on both the batteries, and when a particular battery is charged or both the batteries are charged, you'll get the blue light. So that saying meaning is that the battery is fully charged. So these are the contents what's available in the box, and the last one here. Okay guys, you have seen the video. Thank you so much. And later I'm going to do a separate video which will show you the features available in this camera, different video options like 4K 30 frames, 1080 60 frames, 2.7 60 frames. I'm going to make a separate video on this and I'm going to post it. So please stay tuned. So let me meet you in the next video. Take care.